Ever wished you could clear out your entire Facebook Messenger inbox in one go? While Messenger doesn't have a built-in delete all option, don't worry. There are ways to bulk delete your chats quickly and easily. In this video, I'll show you how to clean up your Messenger inbox step by step. Let's dive in. Method 1. How to delete an entire conversation. Open Messenger on your Android device. Find the conversation you want to delete. Tap and hold the chat. Select Delete from the menu. Confirm by tapping Delete again. Method 2. How to delete a single message. Open the conversation. Tap and hold the specific message. Tap Remove or the trash icon. Choose Unsend to delete it for everyone or Remove for you to delete it only on your side. And that's how you can clear your Messenger chats on Android quick and simple. If this helped you, please like the video, smash the subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.